What's up, guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. The wifey is here, and she is here because, well, tonight is a celebration. We have finally got to 600 subscribers. Again, within this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a secret word somewhere in here. All you got to do is remember that word, and also with the comments down below, put giveaway, and then the secret word that will be somewhere in this video. I don't know if it's going to be there, somewhere here. I don't know, but it's going to be somewhere on your screen, okay?
Do they have to be subscribed? They
have to be subscribed. And, man, I'd like it if you guys also shared this channel as well when you subscribe. But with that being said, with us getting to that 600, decided to try something new. Now, I've dealt with the company that I got these products from. I do have a beard product from them. If you guys recently seen one of my videos, I did my top 10 favorite grooming products. It was one of my favorite beard balms. That was until then when I just received some new stuff. But nonetheless, it was a bomb-ass beard balm. It was a tobacco vanilla scent, which was very nice. So I got some solid colognes from this company this time. Okay, now, when people think about colognes and solid colognes, you know, there's a lot of pros and cons to them. Honestly, the only con that I can really think of with a solid cologne, as long as it projects and does everything else a normal spray would do, the only thing is they come in these little tin cans, and if you have a nice collection, it just doesn't look good, okay? Other than that, like if you want to get a bottle of cologne, the bottles look nice. You put it in a display, it looks very nice. You put little canisters in a display, it doesn't look nice. Other than that, they are meant to, it's almost kind of like a moisturizer if you think about it. If you've ever smelled someone put a scented lotion on, maybe from Bath and Body Works, they put it on, it has the whole room smelling really good for a while. Think about the solid cologne being exactly that. You have a lot of people that actually will put Vaseline on their pulse points and then spray something on, right? So now you will get this pretty much in a Vaseline type scent, pretty much. It's a Vaseline type scent if you think about it. It's a balm, and it has pretty much the same ingredients as a normal spray would. It just doesn't have that alcohol or anything like that. Another good thing about them is that they're usually small and compact, where you can pack in a lot of these, especially if you're going on a nice trip, you're doing a carry-on. You can usually get probably like 10 of these in that carry-on bag before you start getting everything else in, whereas fragrances, you know, you got to do all the decanting and stuff and whatnot. So there's a lot of pros and cons to the solid colognes. Honestly, like I said, I think there's just really only one con. They're just, you know, they just don't look good in a collection. Other than that, if they do the same thing, if they last longer, who knows? We will see. But with that being said, now we got all that information out the way, we'll show you what company I'm talking about, and that is this OakCity beard company, okay? They are out of Raleigh, North Carolina, and I got some family members down there in North Carolina. So if you are down there in North Carolina watching this, shout out to you folks in North Carolina. I know you guys went through a lot of storms this last year, I bet, so hopefully you guys are all good. But I do have 3 fragrances, and if you are interested in any of these, if you go to their website and use the code GET5, you'll get 5% off all your purchases. Or you can even just go to eBay and look for them in eBay or Amazon as well. So with that being said, we're going to get into them. Again, I got 3 of them. We'll start off with this tobacco vanilla because I actually got the beard balm of this already, which smells amazing. I don't think the wifey really notices it that much because it is a beard balm. You kind of got to get close to smell a beard balm.
And he doesn't want to kiss me.
This with a cologne, we'll see if she can smell it. I am going to apply it. And what you kind of want to do with the beard balm, I mean the solid cologne, is kind of get a nice little circular motion rubbing in it. You know, kind of like how you do those freaky things at night. Like spinning some records at a DJ, because you're a DJ, right? See? Like that. But what you're going to do is rub in here like that. And as you can see, my finger is a little moist, just like how it would be if I was scratching those records. But then you're just going to apply in those same spots that you would apply your fragrance, okay? So you can, and if you think about it, you can literally go ham with this and like literally get every single pulse point. You can get behind the ears just in case your woman wants to start nibbling a little bit. But we'll put just a little bit on the hand. And what do you think?
It smells pretty good.
You smell it more on my neck?
It is a little stronger on your neck.
Okay, so I'm probably a little bit warmer there. So obviously the back of your palm is not a pulse point. You don't want to put it on your wrist to get a better projection with it. The only thing I'm kind of concerned with this is like, okay, when you just put like a little quick spray of fragrance on, you get a nice whiff. This, I'm trying to figure out a nice balance of like how much should I be digging into this to get a nice projection. If you think about it, this is most likely going to be suitable for those times when you're just going on a date. Maybe you're just going to be close to your lady or whatever, your man. Women, if you guys are wearing this and you want your man to smell it on your neck, whatever, it doesn't matter. So these are probably going to be most likely for close encounters, okay? You're not going to be projecting. You're not going to be in the club projecting when you got this on unless you pretty much scoop the entire thing out and start rubbing it all over yourself. But with that being said, for it to be a close encountered scent, what do you think of the scent overall? Is it nice?
I can actually smell you from here.
Okay, so she actually can smell me from here. Now, I don't think...
Yeah.
I'm not going to say she'd probably smell me with a mask. Okay, obviously we all got to wear masks now, and you know, who knows if people can smell you or not. However, I'm pretty sure, I don't think you're going to be able to smell this with a mask on. Okay, if you have a mask on and you're like a few feet away from me, I don't think she's going to smell it. But again, if you're in those close encounters, maybe you're just at dinner, now you're starting to just go out and have a nice little dinner. Maybe you went to that play that maybe says you don't got to wear that mask all day at the play because you got a bottle of water in your hand, you can just pretend to be drinking it. Who knows? But she did say she can smell that from here. That's about at least maybe 1.5 feet right there. So without her getting close, this again is going to be a close encounter fragrance type thing right here. But what do you think? The smell is pretty nice then?
I like it.
Nice.
This would probably be nice for nighttime cuddling.
Mm-hmm. And the cool thing is, if you look at it, they actually list the note breakdown on the front right here. So with this tobacco vanilla, we got tobacco, vanilla, and some wood. So it's all ingredients. We got some shea butter and stuff like here, some sweet almond oil. So basically using all that, throwing in these notes, and then there we go. We got this fragrance. So that one is the tobacco vanilla. We're going to try the other two just to see what they smell like. I'm not going to rub all of them all over me this time because I already got this tobacco vanilla on. But let's see what this grizzly smells like. Now this one we got sandalwood, clove, cedarwood, and citrus. Man, I can't wait to smell that one. That sounds actually like a very good mixture of some things going on there. But like, I literally think it is light. So I'm thinking you really have to kind of use this. Like, I don't think it's you just smell it from here and then you're gonna get a nice whiff. So I'm gonna actually use a little bit. Again, I'm gonna go scratch those records. I don't know what you guys are thinking.
A good DJ.
Because I am a DJ. DJ scratch a lot. Remember those CDs back in the day? You got those scratches on it, you couldn't play them anymore.
Now it smells like a shower. Like shower gel almost.
Ooh. I kind of like that.
Mm-hmm.
That one's actually my favorite of the two so far, actually. I like that citrus in here. That cedar wood is very nice. It's nice woody. You do get this little spice from that clove. It's almost kind of soapy as well, like she just said. But it's soapy, it's citrusy. You got that little bit of woods going on in there. But man, I'm kind of digging that. That clove adds a nice little spiciness. But that is that grizzly man right there. So maybe we can throw that on my beard as well. But another thing with these, you guys, too, is, you know, a lot of you guys like to layer fragrances. Think about layering this, okay? You already got a little coating on your wrist or on your ears. Then you throw a different spray on there, and now you're projecting the spray is projecting, and then this is kind of the thing that's going to kind of keep that thing lingering on. So you got two little scents going on there. Now you just got to figure out what two scents work together well. So with that being said, let's get on to the last fragrance from this OakCity Beard Company, and that is this Uncle Jack. Man, they just love their vanilla and tobacco, because this is pretty much the same thing, only they're going to add some leather and bourbon in this as well as the tobacco vanilla scent. So let's get into this one. Again, I'm most likely going to have to put a little bit on just to kind of get something going on. I don't have a spot, so we'll have to, maybe the wife will be a DJ this time. The wifey looks pretty knowledgeable about that method right there. I don't know what she's been doing lately, but
every now and then I scratch a record here and there.
We're both DJs in our spare time. Well, she's more of the DJ. I'm probably more of the
scratch record.
How's that one?
I like that one.
Yeah, I like that one too. That leather definitely comes out. That bourbon gives it kind of like this almost booziness to it as well. The tobacco is really not as prominent as it is in that tobacco vanilla, but that is very nice. You get this little touch of sweetness from that vanilla, which is very nice. Then you get that leather, that bourbon, which is very nice. That boozy, leatherish type thing. Again, with most of these fragrances, you know, this is my first time jumping into the solid cologne fragrance game, so I'm not too sure what to expect out of it yet. This is just my first impressions on these. However, the smell on these is very nice, you guys. And again,
I like this one.
You can take these. You can take like 10 of these, put it on that carry-on. You're only going to use about that much space because look at that. They come like that. You got a third one right there, and it's just like that. You got one of those bags that are about this long. You get like 10 of those in there. If you really want to smell different every single day on your vacation, you can do so. You won't have to decant anything. These are about 1 ounce in size. Yep, 30 ml. Can you imagine trying to take 10 30 ml bottles of fragrance on a carry-on? That wouldn't work. You'd have to check it in. So with that being said, these are definitely worth it. Again, these were 12 bucks off of Amazon. If you go onto their website, I'm assuming they're going to be about the same price, maybe a little bit higher. But if you use that code GET5, you'll get 5% off. Let them know I sent you. Well, they probably don't know me, but just let them know I sent you anyways. With that being said, my favorite was the Grizzly because that citrus and that cedar was very nice in that one. I'm assuming that's her favorite. The tobacco vanilla is also a good favorite of mine, but I also have the beard balm already. So sometimes, honestly, if I get a little bit too much of my beard and my hands are a little greasy, I just rub it on myself anyway, so I pretty much get the same effect.
Do they make women? Women's?
Probably for the bearded women, but probably not for just regular women. You would probably have to be the Karl Malone of women to get a fragrance from them for the women, but
this actually smells pretty good. What do you
think? It does.
On me, like, could a woman get away with that?
If a woman was trying to be just sensual, not like trying to be like a, you know, going out and about throughout my day, but if she's just trying to be sensual, yes, I believe that a man would actually get attracted to that. Honestly, I like the way it smells. So smelling it on a woman, it smells good as well. Besides this tobacco vanilla, I almost think this one could even be like worn by a woman as well. They both, all three of them could be. Honestly, it's all what you guys want to wear. Women can wear whatever they want. But with that being said, again, that was our first impressions on these solid colognes from OakCity Beard Company. Again, get 5, you get that 5% off. Tell them I sent you with the SCENT. I sent you. See, sent. Tell them Lynn sent you.
Sent you.
Lynn sent you. Okay. But with that being said, again, 600 subscribers. We are finally there. Again, pay attention to this video. There is going to be a word somewhere here, there, everywhere. I don't care. Green eggs and ham. Here, there, everywhere.
Cat and hat.
Did you like Dr. Seuss?
Yeah.
They're getting rid of him.
Yeah.
Did you hear about that?
He wasn't inclusive. Today's world is all about inclusion.
I mean, honestly, they should have got rid of him just for talking all that stuff because he sounded like a crackhead. Because when you heard some of the stuff he was saying, like cupboards and the nubbards, what is that? Like that. That's why he should have got banned, because you got kids telling you, like, kids coming to, where's the nubbard? And then you're looking at him like, what the hell is a nubbard? See? So for those reasons, he should have got banned. Not for the goofy stuff he said, because he didn't mean those things.
Yeah, but don't
But he must have really thought nubbard was a word to... I think he was on crack when he made some of those books. He probably was. If you've seen some of those characters in the books, who would have thought to make a character that looked like those things? So look at those books if you got them. If you got them, keep them alive, and maybe go to a thrift store. I'm pretty sure they got a few of them sitting at the shelves. But we're going to get up out of here. Again, remember that word, giveaway down below. And we will see you on the next video. The next video we'll actually do the drawing, okay? So be on the lookout for that. With that being said, we're going to get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit the likes, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Oh, yeah, share this damn